Are you an avid cyclist or looking to ride your bike more often? With Google Maps, you can now plan a bike ride in cities across the US. First, go to Google Maps and search for directions. You can choose to get directions by car, by public transit, for walking, and now for biking. When you choose to travel by bike, the appearance of the map changes to show you which streets are good for biking. Dark green lines represent bike trails with no motor vehicles. Light green lines show streets with bike lanes. And dashed green lines show other streets recommended for cyclists. You can read step-by-step directions and see your route on the map. You'll be routed on streets that are not too steep and are more suitable for biking. This wiggle in San Francisco helps cyclists avoid steep hills. Choose from several suggested routes to take a path you prefer. Or drag and drop the blue line to create your own custom route. Let's go out to the beach and ride along the bike trails in the park. To explore all bike paths in an area, you can also turn on the biking layer in the More menu. Zoom in to see labeled bike routes and decide where you want to ride. So far, we've added bike data for hundreds of US cities and will continue working hard to improve our quality and coverage. You can use the Report a Problem link to communicate directly with Google about edits or suggestions you have for our maps. Hop on your bike with Google Maps at maps.google.com/biking.